You see, if this is your first time on the channel, just big up yourself and enough love for clicking on FadaGugs Channel. I have a whole heap more video on the channel, whole heap of juice, whole heap of smoothie. You can go and check that out. Yes people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. But you see, today I'm going to make a fruity smoothie. And as you can see, I'm not use no milk, I'm not use no banana. Because you've got people out there who don't really like milk in them smoothie. And you got people who don't really like banana in them smoothie. So you see, this video, it's going to be the perfect video for them. So now, let's just get down to the fun part and start to make that juice or that smoothie. So the first thing what you want to do, make sure you say all your ingredients them wash. That's the most important thing, for wash your ingredients. I pre-wash my ingredients, so you need to just wash yours before you start. I'm going to add the juice of 3 nice sized orange. And you see the orange juice have a lot of health benefits. It can improve the immune system. It can improve also with digestive health. It can help to lower the risk of cancer. It can protect the cardiovascular system. It can prevent kidney disease. Also help us with weight loss. It can also cleanse the skin, reduce wrinkles, improve the eyesight because it has incredible healing properties inside it. It can prevent weight loss, lower the cholesterol level, and it has a natural anti-inflammatory property inside it. So that's it. So next, we want to bring the blender forward. I'm going to add 1 cup of strawberry, or a nice handful of strawberry. Right here, I'm using the fresh one. But if you can't get all of the fresh one and you have the frozen one, you can use the frozen one as well. But you see the strawberry, it's packed with a whole heap of nutrients like vitamins, minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium, magnesium, manganese, and the list goes on. It can also improve the heart function. It can improve the brain function. The strawberry, it can also help us with skin care. It can help us with eye care. It can also help to manage diabetes. It may boost immunity. It may help us with weight loss. It may improve even our bone, and it can also help with constipation. So there we have it. Let me just get these out of the way. Then bring the peach. So remember, with the peach, you've got a big seed inside it. So you have to just take your time and cut out the seed. Just like that. And as I said before, with the peach seed, you need to keep the seed of the peach. So the seed is also good. If you crack the seed, you've got a nut inside it, which is also good. We're going to add 2 nice sized peach to this. And you see the peach packed with nutrients and loads of antioxidants like protein, fat, carbs, fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, also vitamin K, with potassium, copper, manganese, and many more. It may also aid in digestion. It may improve our heart health. The peach, it may even protect our skin. It may prevent certain type of cancer. It may also reduce allergy symptoms. The peach can also boost immunity, protect us against toxin, reduce the blood sugar level. But you see the peach, it is widely available and easy to add to the diet. But the bottom line I'm trying to say, peach are rich in vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compound. As I said before, the seed, don't dash the seed, just wash it off dry it, get a nutcracker, and you crack it. Next, we're going to add a nice piece of ginger. We're not use all of the ginger here, just a little piece we're going to use. And we know so the ginger have a lot of health benefits. The ginger been around for time. And the ginger, it can treat many forms of nausea, especially morning sickness. It may also help us with weight loss. The ginger may drastically lower blood sugar and improve heart disease risk factor. It can help to treat chronic indigestion. It can significantly reduce menstrual pain. It may lower also cholesterol level, and it contains a substance that can prevent cancer. It can also improve the brain function and protect us against Alzheimer's disease. Ginger can also fight infection. Bottom line, the ginger is loaded with nutrients and bioactive compounds that have powerful benefits for our body and also with brain. And then with the honey, about 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey. And then we're going to add the orange juice that we did a bit earlier. That's it. What we want to do, we want to put the lid on it. And then I'm going to put it on the blender and then I'll be back. So here you have it, people, all ready to start the process. So basically we just have to blend it until it's smooth out and then move on to the next step. So here we have it, people, all finished. Just look nice. Look nice. Oh, it smells nice as well. I tell them I can't wait to drink that, honestly. So I'm going to just get a nice glass and I'm going to just pour it out in the glass so you can have a look. Look at that. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. And as I said, if you want it thinner than that, you could have put one more orange inside it. Just juice one more orange juice and it will be a bit thinner. Or if you want it thicker, just leave out one of the orange. So I'm going to do now, I just put some ingredients beside it, just to kind of make it look really pretty. Nice piece of ginger, and then we'll put the star ingredients, which is a strawberry. One more, then we're going to drop one on the top. Just like that. So there you have it, you know, people. Strawberry and peach smoothie, otherwise known as the fruity smoothie. Very delicious and is perfect for the summer. So if you like the video today, just give FadaGugs a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. And always remember to share it with your friends, share it with the family, just share it all over. But for now, until next time, FadaGugs is out.